Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are discussing about comments in Python. So what is comment in Python? Comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. And why we use comments? Basically comments help programmers document their code, making it easier for themselves and others to understand what the code does. So they can also serve as reminders or explanations for certain sections of code. And how we symbolize the comments, we basically symbolize the comments by using hashtag, and anything after hashtag on a line is considered a comment and is ignored by the interpreter. So you can see there are two types of comments basically we use, that are single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments are basically starts with hashtag, and while multi-line comments can be using the triple quotes.